This is the real Tom Rose, and it may not look like it, but this is actually a quadratic equation, right? And the way that you can get it to look like one is by multiplying through by a. So you'll end up with a squared plus a over a, which is just 1, equals 2. And you can then subtract 1 from both sides, and you get a squared equals 1. So this will be, a will be equal to plus or minus 1. So one of the things you'll notice is that we've generated 2 solutions. So let me actually write this out the way that you might have seen it otherwise. So this, a is equal to the set of -1 and 1, apparently. But remember what we did was, in order to go from this step to this step, we multiplied through by a. That's a weird thing to do, is just take an equation and say like, well, let's multiply everything by a. Sometimes when you do that, you introduce fake solutions that don't really exist. So then when you solve using that technique, what you want to do is take those solutions and plug them back in and make sure that they all still work. So when we plug in 1 for a, for example, we get 1 plus 1 over 1 equals 2. Or 1 plus 1 equals 2, or 2 equals 2. Yay, that works. Now -1, on the other hand, if we plug that in, we get -1 plus 1 over -1 equals 2. So that would be -1 minus 1 equals 2. You actually get -2 equals 2, which is not true, which means this is not a solution. That's a fake solution that we created by multiplying through by a, and we shouldn't really count it. So that's how you know this is not the answer, and instead it is that one.